Hey guys, just wanted to show a quick video on how to take off the air filter on a Hyundai Elantra. This is a 2016 model. So open, it's on your driver's side. If you go on next to your left foot, there'll be this little latch. You pop this open, come out, and this is the hood prop. Bust it open. The hood prop should sit right here. And just latches on right there. So this is the air filter box. This is where your air filter will be. You got two clips here. I don't know if you guys can see that. One clip, two clips. Then you have in the back little slots where they go in. You have two of them. So all you have to do, bink, bink. Those latch open. Make sure they're open. And you're gonna grab here at the bottom. You can already see it's already moving. You're gonna grab it with your whole hand, and you're gonna pull towards you, and you'll see that it comes right off. See that? That's kind of like the whole. And pull it up, and bam. And usually I have two hands for this, but just for the case of the video, I just use one hand. Just grab it, and bam! Look at that. Let me see this. I'm gonna have to replace this one. But yeah, that's how you just take out an air filter on a 2016 Hyundai. If your engine looks similar, it probably goes from 2014 to about 2020, I'm not too sure. But that's how you take off the air filter.